Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 10 minus 2 multiply 3 plus 6. Okay. So most people solve this question like 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Then 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Now 8 multiply 9 is equal to 72. But here they are wrong because this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. According to the PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then multiplication, then division, both have equal priority, okay? Then addition and subtraction also both have equal priority, okay? So in this question, here is a one subtraction, one multiplication and one addition. So according to the rule, first priority is multiplication. So first we have to multiply this part, okay? So 10 minus 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6 plus 6. Now here is a one subtraction and here is one addition. Addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right, okay? So first we have to solve this part. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4 plus 6. Now 4 plus 6 is equal to 10, okay? Therefore the correct answer is 10, okay? If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.